I used to think that making money without working was a scam until I saw it happening to real people like me. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how passive income works, why now is the best time to start, and how parents are able to earn online without trading time. So let me show you how and let's get started. But first, you need to understand the difference between passive income and active income. So let's start with what most of us do, which is active income. And that's when we get paid only when we are clocking in. And when we're clocking out, we don't get paid. That's like our regular 9-to-5 jobs. Any labor job that you do and you get paid, and when you don't do it, you don't get paid. That is active income. So think about it. You work all day, you come home, you're exhausted, you miss your daughter's school performance again, you get paid, and it's still not enough. See, that is the trap of active income, and many of us are stuck in it. But let's talk about what changed everything for me, which is passive income. This is when income flows in even when you're not actively working, because you have a system in place that works for you 24/7. This could be like digital products. You create it once, but you're able to sell it over and over again and you earn an income. This could be software subscription, right? That person set it up one time and people subscribe to it and they pay a monthly fee to this person who created it. This could also be real estate that pays monthly. See, that is passive income. And if you ever said, well, I wish there's a better way, this is your sign. Just comment ready below and keep watching. Now I know what you're still thinking. Is this still a good time to start something new? Well, let me share with you some few eye-opening facts. Did you know there's over 5 billion who have access to the internet worldwide? That means there's more people who are shopping online, more people who are learning online, and more people who are spending online ever than before. At the same time, companies are downsizing, laying off employees, or shifting to automation, or what you've heard, AIs. See, job security isn't what it's used to be, and relying on one source of income can be risky. See, the truth is, passive income isn't just an idea anymore. It's becoming a necessity. And here's where the Legacy Builders program come in. It's built for busy parents like us who wants more option, not more hours. Not only you get a proven plug-and-play system, digital products that's already created for you, automated system that do the follow-up and the sales processing for you. That means you're not glued to your phone. You can be at work, you can be at the park, you can spend time with your family and still earn online. And I know what you're probably thinking, because I used to scroll past videos like this too, saying, another course. But this isn't another course. See, Legacy taught me real marketing skills, gave me a roadmap, and connected me with mentors who really cares. Recently in our community, we have a stay-at-home mom with an active duty husband with 3 boys who actually just paid off her mortgage in 9 months. All because of this program, all because she has a system that works for her, so that way she can still be able to have time with her family. We also have another mom who started with 3 jobs and she was able to walk away from all 3 jobs. We have moms who are always a stay-at-home mom and are now able to contribute to their family because of the income they earn with the Legacy Builders program. And these are real people just like you and me, who started because they were curious, they were cautious, and they were ready for a change. So now that you understand the difference between passive income and active income and why now is a great time to start, which path are you choosing? If you are working a 9-to-5, you are not behind. You're just one step away from something different. And if you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and want a system that works for you, even when you're not, just comment Legacy below and I'll send the details your way. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.